Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DPClubs. They were kind enough to send me a few different things. So this is something that I've seen in a few places that's a little bit new. So let's have a look at that first. I was going to leave it till the end, but I think it'd be easier to do it first. But this is available in a few different colours, and I'm not quite sure about it, but I do think there will be a time, a place, a suitable thing for this, suitable painting for this to be used on. But if you can see, it does have like an ornate type pattern. There is, say, quite a few different colours. I chose black. And it is sticky back, and the idea is you can use this to frame your diamond paintings. So you can put this around and it will cover up, of course, the legend on the canvas. It will cover all the descriptive parts that are often there to tell you how to do a diamond painting. And you can use this to create yourself a frame so that you can just put your painting straight up. So have a look. It's a little bit different, but I am sure there are paintings that this would work perfectly on, dependent on colour. But you do get a nice big roll of it to work on a painting. I will hold it up on one of the paintings that I'm going to unbox so that you can see it as well. We do also have a couple of paintings. So let's open this one at the easy side. This one might not work as well with the black trim because this is quite a vibrant picture, but this is a 30 by 40. It has 24 different colours and it just uses the alphabet as its symbols, but the canvas looks clear. You do get a toolkit. The diamond painting area itself is just short of 35 centimetres by 25 centimetres. But just to go back to this, the idea is that you can stick this straight onto the canvas around the outside and then cut this on an angle. So you'd do a 45-degree angle here and then a 45-degree angle here. I would potentially stick this onto maybe a piece of card or something a little bit harder than the canvas itself, but you don't need to. But because this is opaque, you then won't be able to see any of the legend, or as I say, the stuff that tells you how to do a diamond painting. So just a little show and tell on that one. But to go back to this gorgeous flower painting, let's have a look at the vibrant colours for this one. It is a round, so we have a couple of darker ones to start, dark purple and 310. We've got some nice bright reds, purples, look at those. Then we've got some more blues, some more pinks, greens, gorgeous array of pinks there. And then we do also have some more reds, dark greens and some whites. So a very vibrant painting for that one. I mean, to be fair, that black border does pull the black out of the middle of the flower. So it could showcase the painting quite well, or maybe you prefer a red to make the red pop, or a yellow. Whatever sort of colour you want to pop is probably the best colour to mount it in when a painting's finished. So that is number 2. And then item number 3, trying to work out if it's taped at the bottom because it's just a little bit less that I have to cut to get in the bag rather than cutting the full end. And we've got another quite bright, a little bit darker one for this one in some places in the background, but definitely not in the painting. This is also a round, but this has 33 different colours. Get it to flat out a little bit. This is also a 30 by 40. So it's also a 30 by 40, this one. And it does use symbols as well as letters and numbers because of the amount. But it's 25 by 35. So in fact it's letters and symbols. I can't see any numbers. I'm just seeing letters and symbols. But the symbols are all clear that I can see. And so we do get DMC numbers. You do get a toolkit. And then to have a look at some of the vibrant colours in this. So it's not 310 that is the darker colour. It's 939. But look at that yellow. Got some really sharp reds. Some more muted colours to give tone. Some hot pinks. More bright yellows. Some browns and blues. And then reds, more blues, some pinks. There's your 939. So it's sort of, what, 2 bags or a bag and one that's 2/3. And then a nice pop of lime green as well. So 2 very, very colourful paintings for today. And then some border tape, which if we have a look on this one, so that you can see what sort of effect it could give. Say, I think this one would probably need a brighter one as well. But yeah, let's put that the right way. A few lovely items for today. I will pop links to them all down below so that you can check them out for yourself if any of them take your fancy. Thank you to DPClubs for sending me these so that I could show you all, and thank you to all of you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.